Alright, so in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick little material, an upgrade to a material that I've used so many times. As y'all know, I love the chrome aesthetic. I've been using it for quite some time now. I think it's cool, it's dope. And so, like I said, I've been thinking of a way to upgrade it, make it look cooler within Blender. And I think I found the sauce. And believe it or not, this is not a secret. Like, this node, this material has been used before many times, but I haven't seen people emphasize it within a tutorial. And so for you guys, if you're new, I think this is a nice, cool way to spice up your visuals. Again, whether you're using a UV sphere, something like this, very abstract, or you're using an actual 3D model of a hard surface item, whether it's a gun or pickaxe or whatever the case might be, or just even nice custom typography, I think it'll really do the work. So that being said, let's jump right into the video. Alright, so really quick before we do jump into the video, if you want access to the project file and you want to have that same HDRI as I do, it'll be down on my Patreon, link down below. On my Patreon, you'll be able to find that HDRI as well, and you'll be able to have access to the project file so that if you don't want to go through this whole process, you can just find it there. But again, it's a quick tutorial, nothing crazy. So really quickly, let's just go ahead, get rid of this. Shift A, we're gonna add a quick monkey, bam, and we're gonna add a control. We're gonna control tree. Jesus Christ. Control 3 to add a subdivision modifier of level 3 to our 3D model here. We're gonna apply it really quick. Shade auto smooth, and so we have this now. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go into the shading tab, and so really quickly, just look how fast this is. We're gonna control Shift D on our principal BSDF, or just quickly add it. We're gonna go ahead and add a mix shader node, right? For this one, metallic roughness, do about maybe, I don't know, 0.1. You could play with this eventually, but do about 0.1. Plug this in there, plug this in down here, and really quickly what we're gonna do is on the emission, we're gonna add a let's do 10, and let's quickly make it red. So right now we got this weird thing going on here, right? So if you wanna fix this, what you would do is you would go ahead really quickly, and we're gonna add a Fresnel node and connect that into the fact of the mix shader. And so you still don't see the cool thing happening, but what we would have to do is bring this down slightly like so. And we're also going to go ahead quickly and switch from the Eevee render engine to cycles, and make sure you switch from CPU to GPU if you have a GPU on your computer. And let's go into render view. So right now we're looking at this. It doesn't have that chrome aesthetic, but if you know, you know, what you would pretty much need to do is add a quick HDRI, which you could just find one on you could just find one on the internet. So we're gonna go ahead really quickly so we could look at this better. We're gonna go to film and turn on that transparency or transparent background so that we can see what it is what we got going on here. So you can see pretty cool chrome design, but with that nice little ring highlight of red. And again, you could play with the color, with the strength as well. And if you want to make this be even cooler, what you could do is we could add a color ramp, and we could also add a gradient texture. Color to the fact, color to the color. And so over here now, if we go here and let's say we make this red and we make this green, so you can see it's going from red to green, and you could add even more colors in between. So let's just say we want to make this blue, And I think we could possibly bring this up a bit more so we can see more of what's going on. And you can also play with the strength. And as you can see, it don't matter how you move this, you'll have that nice little highlight on the edge of your model. It don't matter in what view side you're on, you'll still have that nice little ring light. Again, pretty cool tutorial, straightforward, just a little way to upgrade your Chrome material. So if you love Chrome stuff, if you're always doing like Chrome typography, which is a trend, this is a good way to spice it up. But anyways, again, don't forget, if you want the actual samples that I showed how I made those, the project file will be down on the my Patreon, so link on description. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. Subscribe, like. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.